in the Lord comes up to minister to us again. Before he comes up, it's my pleasure to present to you our artist for tonight, the music minister, Aaron Williams.
Well, hello, friends. My name's Aaron. So glad to be back with you. Excited to worship together today. Hey, if you'll stand with us, why don't you clap your hands along? Let's rejoice in who the Lord is, the Lion and the Lamb. Sing this with me. He's coming on the clouds. Kings and kingdoms will bow down. And every chain will break as broken hearts declare his praise. For who can stop the Lord Almighty? Our God is the Lion of Judah. He's roaring with power and fighting our battles, and every knee will bow before him. Our God is the Lamb that was slain for the sin of the world. His blood breaks the chains, and every knee will bow before the Lion and the Lamb. Every knee will bow before him. Oh, oh, oh. We sing, so open up the gates. So open up the gates, make way before the King of Kings. Our God who comes to save is here to set the captives free. For who can stop the Lord Almighty? Our God is the Lion of Judah. He's roaring with power and fighting our battles. Every knee will bow before him. Our God is the Lamb that was slain for the sin of the world. His blood breaks the chains, and every knee will bow before the Lion and the Lamb. Every knee will bow before him. I want to sing this. Who can stop the Lord Almighty? And I just want to remind us of the Lord's strength, his goodness and favor toward us. Well, let's sing of it with one another. Who can stop? Who can stop the Lord Almighty? 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 Oh, there is no one who can stop the Lord Almighty. Oh, who can stop the Lord Almighty? No one who can stop the Lord Almighty. Oh, who can stop the Lord our God? 'Cause our God is the Lion of Judah. He's roaring with power and fighting our battles. will bow before him. Our God is the Lamb that was slain for the sin of the world. His blood breaks the chains. Every knee will bow before the Lion and the Lamb. Every knee will bow before him. Yeah, we celebrate him. Every knee will bow before him. Amen. Amen. You know, this next song that we're going to sing is just claiming Jesus' strength and his power to keep us and to hold our lives together and really to hold the whole world together. Colossians, when Paul's writing to the church there, he says that it's through Jesus and for Jesus that all things were made, and that he's the one who's going to hold them together. And so I want to sing this with you. We're going to sing of him holding our lives together. In my longing, in my waiting, will your presence be enough? When I'm fearful, when I'm doubting, will I have the strength to trust? Sing it together. You're the first, you're the last, you're forever. You're the one who brings spring out of winter. You're the promise and you are the keeper. You're the one who holds all things together. In my grieving, in my sorrow, will your goodness steady me? When I'm blinded, when I'm hopeless, will I have the eyes to see? You're the first, you're the last, you're forever. You're the one who brings spring out of winter. You're the promise and you are the keeper. You're the one who holds all things together. You're the first,
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.